Dreaming of a crumbling wall. Hello and welcome to Dream Interpretations. In today's video, we will explore the deep meaning behind dreaming of a crumbling wall. Walls in dreams often symbolize boundaries, protection, or emotional barriers. But when these walls begin to crumble, it could indicate that these boundaries are breaking down. A crumbling wall in your dream may suggest that you are facing emotional turmoil or that you feel your defenses are weakening. It could also represent a fear of losing control or the end of something that once seemed secure. If the wall is crumbling around you, it may reflect anxiety about something in your life falling apart. Alternatively, a crumbling wall can symbolize personal growth and the breaking down of old limitations or beliefs. This dream could indicate that you are letting go of past emotional baggage, allowing you to move forward with a fresh perspective. If the crumbling wall represents a literal structure, it may signify the breakdown of your sense of security in your waking life. If you are rebuilding the wall in the dream, it could signify that you are attempting to regain control and rebuild your emotional strength. In some cases, a crumbling wall might point to unresolved issues or fears that need your attention. It may also symbolize a need to break down the emotional walls you've built to protect yourself from vulnerability. The symbolism of a crumbling wall is ultimately about transformation, and it may indicate a powerful change taking place in your life. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of dream interpretation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more insightful interpretations. Until next time, may your dreams lead you to deeper understanding and personal growth.